So in every language, we have a set of connectors. Okay, so a set of words that we use to connect different words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. All right, so in English, for instance, we have and, we have because, we have as if, we have but, we have before. Okay, we have all these words that we use to connect or join different words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. Okay, so these words are what we call conjunctions in grammar. Okay, so you and I can call them connectors. Okay, we don't need all that grammar stuff. Okay, so we call them conjunctions, connectors, and the other day we looked at one of them. Okay, so when we looked at the conjunction and, that was one of them. Okay, so we got to know the 2-3 words that correspond to the conjunction and in English, right? If you missed it, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. Please, you should check it out. Okay, so we looked at that, and today I want us to continue with our connectors, with our conjunctions. And today we are looking at but, the conjunction but. Okay, coming right up. Hi, this is Yao, and you're welcome to another lesson right here on LEARNAKAN.com. If this is your first time here, you are so welcome. So here we help you to read, write, and speak the Akan language of Ghana. And you may support what we do by first subscribing to the channel. And if you find any of our lessons useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. Alright, so today, like I mentioned before, we are looking at the conjunction but. Okay, the connector but. Alright, so in English, I could say he fell down, but he stood up. Right, he fell down, but he stood up. Or he has a dream, but it stays a dream. Right, he has a dream, but it stays a dream. So you see how we are connecting different parts together with but. Okay, so he fell down, but he stood up. And then he has a dream, but it stays a dream. Okay, so in Chi, this but is nanso. Okay, nanso. Nanso. Simple, right? Nanso. Okay, so to say but in Chi, you say nanso. 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 So there's actually a saying that goes like onipa bia nanso wone ho. Onipa bia nanso wone ho. Onipa bia nanso wone ho. Okay, so by this expression we mean that it doesn't matter what you do as a human being. No matter what you do, there will always be a but around you. Okay, so you do all things right, but there's always going to be something that is not right with you, and people are going to talk about that more. Okay, so they'll go like, oh, this man is so handsome. Oh, this man is so kind. Oh, this man is so intelligent. And then you hear somebody go like, but he's too arrogant. Okay, so you see the but, and it's always there. Okay, so you hear, oh, Abena is so pretty. Oh, Abena is so generous. Oh, Abena is so respectful. And then you hear one lady at the back, she'll go like, but one of her legs is longer than the other. Okay, so this but is always there, right? So that's why we say onipa bia nanso nanso wɔ ne ho. Onipa biara nanso wɔ ne ho. Okay? Onipa biara nanso wɔ ne ho. So now you know that the conjunction but is nanso in chi, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and use it in some sentences. All right? And for the first one, we have Kofi ni sika nanso ope enumja. Okay? Kofi ni sika nanso ope enumja. Kofi ni sika nanso ope enumja. Kofi ni sika nanso ope enumja. Mididi pa nanso menye kesiye. Mididi pa nanso menye kesiye. Mididi pa nanso menye kesiye. It's not true. Mididi pa nanso menye kesiye. Abna subanye nanso kwabna peno sa. Abna subanye nanso kwabna peno sa. Abna subanye nanso kwabna peno sa. Okay? Abna subanye nanso kwabna peno sa. Ya nko America da nanso oka America for brofo. Ya nko America da nanso oka America for brofo. Ya nko America da nanso oka America for brofo. Ya nko America da nanso oka America for brofo. And we have a lot of that here. Okay, so we call that lafa. Lafa, locally acquired foreign accent. Okay, so ya nko America da nanso oka America for brofo. Ya nanso mensu. Ya nanso mensu. Ya nanso mensu. Okay? Ya nanso mensu. Now, it isn't uncommon to also hear us express but as nso. Okay? Nso. Nso in chi. Alright? So while we have nanso for but, we also have nso, and they both work. Okay? So I can say, for instance, mafa nso minchia. Mafa nso minchia. Mafa nso minchia. Okay? Mafa nso minchia. Kwaku eni je amahu nso ofere. Kwaku eni je amahu nso ofere. Kwaku eni je amahu nso ofere. Okay. Kwaku eni je amahu nso ofere. Medidiye nso mami. Medidiye nso maame. Medidiye nso maame. Alright? Medidiye nso maame. Abranteɛ no kɔ sukuu nso ɔmpɛ adesua. Abranteɛ no kɔ sukuu nso ɔmpɛ adesua. Abranteɛ no kɔ sukuu nso ɔmpɛ adesua. Okay, so I can also say this as abranteɛ no kɔ sukuu nanso ɔmpɛ adesua. Okay, abranteɛ no kɔ sukuu nanso ɔmpɛ adesua. Ɔde kyɛɛ me nso mempɛ. Ɔde kyɛɛ me nso mempɛ. Ɔde kyɛɛ me nso mempɛ. Or ɔde kyɛɛ me nanso mempɛ. Ɔde kyɛɛ me nanso mempɛ. Ɔde kyɛɛ me nanso mempɛ. And with this, you have successfully completed another lesson. Thank you very much for taking it, and I hope to see you in the next one.